Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to update on what's happening in 2026. Of course, we know that 26H1 is a thing, and it's a thing not for us, for most of us. It's a thing for Copilot Plus PCs or PCs that will be running Snapdragon, ARM processors, and so on. That one is really just a package that updates and tweaks the ARM processors for the Windows 11 operating system. For most of us that are on X64, we knew that 26H2 was a thing, but now we have even more confirmation. Some Windows insiders have noticed that when they go into the system and check about, some have noticed that they've been moved to a version which is 26.300. So we often talk about when we do the WinVer command about where we are in Windows operating system. So if you look at your update history, you'll notice that if you're on 24H2, you're at 26.100. If you're on 25H2, you're at 26.200. And of course now 26.300 has popped up as a Windows 26H2 Insider refresh. It's an enablement package. So that has appeared in the last days of January. It's a very small number of people that have something like that showing up on their Windows Insider builds, but it is confirmation that slowly Microsoft is starting to test in the background some of the new features for next version. Now, what's interesting is that that number 26.300 tells us that that's going to also be a very small update, like 25H2. So does that mean that as we're at reaching 5 years of Windows 11, we're going to now start being in the general phase where less new features, but just, patching and fixing and, of course, security updates, but definitely is interesting. So most of us don't have it. I looked at my Windows Insider machines. Nothing shows up. But at the About page, there was a feature-enabled Windows 26H2 Insider refresh that some people online have. So that means 26H2 is already something that they're working on. And, of course, that would be appearing somewhere in October of this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.